royal priesthood, holy nation, God's special position, that you may declare the praises of him who called you from darkness, who called you out of darkness into his wonderful light. Aige aitu ni twetirwo kuma hare nduma, kuma hare mehia, kuma hare kwenyarara, kuma hare confusion. We have been called, but the call is not enough, because we have to respond to the call. Ogo niguo Ngai aratwira, I have called you, but you people have refused to respond to the call. Na correspond kuri call ino ri togwitika kuga hoy. Samuel agitwo maita matatu. Agetwo 3 good times. Ageteka agathia koria ithe. Eli akamura, ndaigua mundu urajeta, ndaigua mundu urajeta. Ithe akigia na roho mutheru wa Ngai akira mwana ucio atiriri, ari wetwo ringiri uga mwathani ndi haha, ikoria kwenda nani? How many people today have said mwathani ndi haha, ikoria kwenda nani? Herebo tuinaga tukaiga, my life is not my own, to you I belong. But we just sing tuinago tuine. Tuinago tuina na kana tuigwe kene turaina, my life is not my own, to you I belong. Tukaina tueta moko na igoro, but deep down in heart no turauga nie ne ngomba gucoti maundu makwa, ne ngomba kurora maundu makwa, ne ngomba gucurikira maundu makwa. But God is telling you, God is asking you, what about the call? What about the call? What about the gift that I have given you? Oro akihao kiu gohetere, what are you doing with it? Ni ati oreka nakio kana wambite kugitirania? You chosen generation. Alafu mnashinda mkisema the chosen ones, tuko na shida, the chosen ones. It is because sometimes, not every time, monyitebega, don't come for me. Not every time, but sometimes, omothe gairada specifically. Koria doya etria moria terere. Amorie, where is the call? Where is the gift? Niki ujikirite thiini waku ri kireha omothe tondu yahe gukorwo nikio Ngai ari ahuthire gugagutuguga guikariria ite cianene, kihe gukorwo nikio Ngai ari ahuthire guteithia family yaku, guteithia ciana ciaku, nowe tondu ni woreire hari uturego complainaga. But the problem is not God, the problem is you. You have not responded to the call. The call is there. Ona kwina andu makoragwo meyuwi temaka, kuna wengine wanajijua kabisa. Maybe through that singing God is going to open doors. Maybe through that, whatever it is, we unajijua tu. Si unajua ni nini hiyo, unajua kuifanya vizuri sana, but sometimes you run away from it. Every time you run away from it, ukamieherera, ukaba ukametirania, ukaba ukona maundu maku ni important. Omothe Eli omothe haha no mothe ndirenda guikarira giti kia Eli wetwo maita matatu. Samueli etwo maita matatu. Eli ateithio ni roho mutheru wa Ngai amwira wetwo ringiri uga mwathi wakwa ndi haha, ikorio kwenda nani? Njira uria urenda njike. My Lord, my Lord, my God, may we discern the call and act accordingly. Maandiko maruga thini wa 1 Peter 2 verse 9, that you may declare the praises of him who called you, that you may declare. Reke ngwire ati nigetha uhote kugocithia Ngai ucio wakurutire thiini wa mehia, ucio wakurutire thiini wa confusion, ucio wakurutire ndumaini agikurehe utheri-ini. Kogo ndungigocithia Ngai utare in your call, utare thiini wa mwito waku. Ngai ndangigocwo. Sometimes you complain ati people don't see what I do, people don't recognize what I do, mbona watu hawatambui chenye mimi nafanya. Maybe it is because hauko kwenye unafaa kuwa. Not every time, but sometimes. Tondu riri othe mundu wa Ngai aikarira giti kiria Ngai amuhete, aikarira utungata uria Ngai amwitite naguo, ndakwira no nginyagia Ngai ekugocwo, either through pain or through joy. Thiini wa maundu macio meri no nginya Ngai angigocwo kungikinya we uramwathikira inside the call uri thiini wa mwito waku. Either ni ekugocwo kuhitukira ruo rwaku, ona kana gikeno giaku, kana we go succeed, kana we kugwa, ekugocwo thiini wa maundu macio mothe angikorwo andu ake mari in their own call. Mathayo 22 verse 14 riu atiriri, for many are called but few are chosen. Aingĩ nĩ metĩtwo but few are chosen. Na nigwendete kwĩũria atĩrĩrĩ, Aki, many are called but few are chosen. Dada kwĩũria, what does it mean? Hiyo nayo inamaanisha aje? Does it mean unaweza itwa tu na usikue bado hujachaguliwa? No, ndacoka ndamenya atĩrĩrĩ, maandĩko mararia ũhoro wa the chosen. The chosen God is talking about is the chosen who responds to the call. Angĩkorwo wĩ mwĩte na ndũra respond to the call, inspector. Angĩkorwo wĩ mwĩte we ũrĩa mũcagũre, ũrĩa mwĩte tu no ndũrĩ mũcagũre. The chosen God is speaking to us today. Nerema responded to the call. And let me tell you, when we respond to the call, o kanya karia Ngai akuhete urugamirire nduhinyagiriria andu, o kanya karia Ngai akuhete urugamirire ndwitiagira andu, o kanya kau Ngai akuhete urugamirire urugamaga na mana kihoto. Ni tondu riri, you have responded, you have been called, and you are the chosen one. So tusijiite tu chosen one if we are not giving justice kuri andu aria maramibatara. Angikorwo tutirarugama ithenya-ini mwangi ria gutigirira atiriri ni twahingia kiene kia Ngai. Many are called but few are chosen, and the chosen are the ones that accept the invitation of the call from God. Aria metikagira mwito ucio makawamukira, makawoya, makawigwatira, makauga na nie haha wanjita Mwathani, I am going to respond. Respond is required. Muthikiriria wako wa kigosho, respond. Don't be only called. Usikubali kuitwa tu. Kubali kuitwa and be the chosen one. And when the chosen one come with an assignment of open to the invitation that God has called you into. Your kind of responsibility yako ira require a response. Neto dogweto togweto. In fact, mundu ni etagwo ugetwo Jerry ugetika. No gwetika. Taru ndirikanaga tugitwo ni my grandmother tene ukaigua ni agwita agagwita ugetika yes ni wetika tondu igwa ni wetwo no akwira tambe uke ukaga guthie kana ukandire guthie twanyitana uguo niguo andu aingi mekite he Ngai ni metirwo ni maiguire mugambo ni maiguire Ngai akimeta no thutha wa gwitika ri uria matumire mageke ri they didn't go. They did not go. They are just there. Wako tu hapo. Na ndaiga hata gukorwo wetetwo kahunjie. Na ni manora hujia. And do you know the difference of weteka kuhujia guthi kuhujia? No weteke othio kahujie kana ndiraheana kuhujia as an example tu, kama example peke yake. Ni wetetwo kahujia na ni manyora iganie. I mean, niko kwa call yangu Gasheri, what are you saying? Mimi niko kwa call yangu kwenye nimeitwa na Mungu, niko hapo. But let me ask you, are you doing it the right way? Are you doing it the way God wants you to do it? Hallelujah. Many are called but few are chosen. Many are called na aria chosen na aria marahingia kiene kia Ngai, na aria maratuma Ngai agocwo ni tondu ni amarutire ukombo-ini wa utunyani, ni amarutire ukombo-ini wa kuhenania, ni amarutire ukombo-ini wa wici, ni amarutire ukombo-ini wa kuhinyaniria, ni amarutire ukombo-ini wa mwitio. Acio nio the chosen people. Aria kule na kule kuna aria hata gukorwo uri oho na nikio mathayo ratwira atiriri many are called for many are called but few are chosen. Tawiyori atiriri ni made I'm in my line, I am doing what I'm supposed to be doing, but yes ndirahingia kiene kia Ngai, ndirahingia kiene kia Ngai. Have I responded to the call? Na tuiga responding to the call ni gutiga kuhinyaniria. Ni hindi wamenya ni wehia ukahera ona ihenya. Ni gukorwo wi mundu mwathiki muthikiriria wako wa kigosho. If you're chosen, God is looking into your heart, inside into your heart. Ngai ararora into your heart. What have you been doing with the call? Are you among the called people? Are you among the many who are called and you're not in the few who are chosen? Are you among the people who are called and you're not among the few who are Ngai witoro tutaidia. This is the paka mimi anisaidie sana. Kinya nie mwene andaithie muno. Nikio twaria uhoro wa faithfulness. Toiga for the chosen people, they must, iyo nayo si tafadhali, they must remain faithful to who called them. Nigetha matigakorwo hari the many who are called makorwo among the few who are chosen, because the few who are chosen nere marahigia purpose, nere marahigia kiene, nere maranengerana the end results. Ndeciria horo wa aria manengerirwo taranda ni hari andu thiini wa Biblia, is it a parable? Manengerirwo taranda makinengerwo, gutiri utanengerirwo na o mundu akinengerwo yake, but ni hari umwe wagire kunengerana results. Muthenya wa umuthi so far MC Kenyanya, we ni unengeranite results kwi Ngai acirora ri ama maratathi maku ri arona wena urona tora perform atia, urona tai performance hana atia, wakinya ni the call iria Ngai agwetete nayo, ni waiguire mugambo, ni wetikirire, and you might be doing what you're called to be doing. But the question is, are you among the chosen few the Bible is talking about? Aria mararehe results iria Ngai agenda, because it is not only about calling, about the results iria Ngai arenda. It is about the results. We mwete, but do we have the results? Tuna maumirira mega, maumirira ni mega, maumirira maku we muthikiriria e ni mega, ni mega maumirira mau. Maumirira mau ni mega, maumirira mau ni mega. Wega uria njui ni ati taru tungithoma thiini wa ibuku ria John 15 kamariga 16 kaugaga, you did not choose me but I chose you and appointed you that you should go and bear fruits. Kugo mutwetire hayaya, mutwetini aramenya atirire we are capable of bearing fruits. Twe capable ya guciara. Hey, twe capable ya guciara. It is only that we are refusing guciara. Na ithuĩ turarega guciara. Ni turi capable, ni tondu maandiko ni matwira atiriri, you did not choose. Koguo where you are called, ndwerire Ngai njita handu fulani, aca we niwe wagwitire handu-ini hau, agigucagurira handu hau ni tondu uciare, nigetha uthie uciare. But most of us tutiraciara, na yet ni turiahe capability ya guciara, bearing fruits. Twina capability ya bear fruits, but we are not bearing them. Tutiranirie the call. Amenya we yako kabla itengeneze pesa, acha kwanza niweke pale, nitaikujia. My good Lord, my good Lord. Reke ngwire waya gukorwo nginya wititwo i muthigari aria maugaga utumishi kwa wote. Awatu kweli wengine wao sio wote, wengine wao ni utumishi kwa wote. My good Lord, it is not about the call. What fruit are you bearing? Ni matunda mariko uraciara, matunda macio Ngai aturate. You did not choose me, I chose you. Ritwa riake rirogocwo, I chose you, I appointed you so that you can go and bear fruits, so that you can go. Wekire nguo icio cia jeshi, wekire nguo icio cia borithi, uthio ciare maciaro, uthio ciare maciaro. No Ngai arakuria atiriri muthenya wa umuthi, ni uraciara maciaro? No korwo ni uraciara maciaro Charles, angikorwo ni uraciara maciaro maciaro macio ni marakenia Ngai, inafurahisha Mungu. I chose you. So where you are, the position that you're holding, you did not choose yourself. Na nikio ndakwira atiriri, ucio agucagurire ri ari na uma na ari no hotu wa kumenya atiri mundu no aciare angenda, mundu no aciare angenda, mundu no aciare angenda, angenda no aciare matunda mega angenda, ni tondu nie ndamwitire ri na ngimucagura ri. I appointed, I chose and appointed. Ngai nigetha uthie uciare. But what have we done? Tuiga atiriri, many are called, but few are chosen. Na umuthi turenda go fight. We are fighting to be among the few who are chosen. Because the few who are chosen, the chosen people, bear fruits. And not only fruits, but good fruits. Netwanyitana. Na kugo agikorwo umuthi ni uraiga, I am the chosen one, I am the chosen one. Are you bearing fruits? Ama wewe ni wale tu wa kuitwa? Kuitwa ni sawa. Mtu anaweza itwa but asirespond. Yes. Ama hata akirespond akose kufanya venye, ama kurespond ni kukosa kufanya, kutorespond ni kutafanya venye umeitwa ukafanye. Muthikiriria wako ba kigosho. Ni mbaya. Lazima. Niginyege to bear fruits. na nikwenda gukumireria we wambiriria kuona wambiriria gwicokera ngoro-ini yaku wambiriria kuona nima ndimwite na nima nibatie gukorwo ngiciara maciaro na nima nibatie gukorwo ndarie hana o undu o wothe no riu wambiriria kuigua guoya kwenda gukuririkania maandiko thiini wa Isaiah 43 verses 1. Fear not, I have redeemed you. I called you by name, you're mine. My life is not my own, to you I belong. Sasa hiyo wimbo ukuna uroinage ukimaanishaga my life is not my own. He called you by your name, you are his. Wewe ni wake. Na njoke ngomireria na basi ingi ngwire atiriri tondu ndiramenya ngoro citu ni ciambiriria gwikia maitho na gwikia meciria maitu kuraya twambiriria kuona ati ni mahana ndiekire wega hana ndiekite hana ngwenda gukumireria you who is called and chosen, maandiko thiini wa Thessalonians 5 verse 24 iratia you who is called, and let me tell you gutiri mundu tari mwite na niko turaigire muthenya gutiriga gwitwa ti guthii ukahunjie si lazima ukahubiri. By the way, do you know you can preach where you are? It is you can preach where you are. You can preach Christ where you are. Ona Kristo akihunjirie mutumia na wale kiria haria gathima-ini matakiri kanitha no waigire no nginya tuhunjirie kanitha wewe gwitwari ndunetwo rugame pulpit-ini, but you can create your own pulpit na guciara matunda mega kuri aria makurigiceirie na guciara matunda mathaka kuri acio makurigiceirie. Nyumiriria andu aria metitwo ndimwire thiini wa ibuku ria Thessalonians 5:24, the one who called you. Tusome pamoja wenye wako na Biblia. The one who called you is faithful and he will do it. The one who called you is faithful and he will do it. The one who called you is faithful and he will do it. And when I say he will do it, remember Elijah ali umwe wa aria metitwo na kugwa the one who called him, he did it. So sometimes when you see maybe the assignment is too big for you, dokamake. The one who called you is faithful. He will do it. He will help you do it. He will help you bear the fruits. The assignment ya Elijah ilikuwa haikuwa kidogo. Weta mwaki urona ndarudo muhuthu. Mundu ucio ndurona tambite guthigina gathigino karia mgaceke. Rimwe ni njikaga assumption cia maandiko ngauga atiriri mundu tiga ni haria ringi hatandikirwo mundu ucio no nginya akorwo ni ambite kwiuria do I have bipolar, do I have depression because of what I'm about to do? Can you imagine gwakia mwaki wetha ngo gacitiriria mai uguo turenda kuonia Ngai, urenda kuonia andu no Ngai wa ma icio gutongora mundu reko gutunga mbia ni aguruka it was easy for them. It wasn't easy for them. But the one who called them, enabled them, he did it for them. He did it on their behalf. For those who are called with big assignments. Dugashoke na thutha. Dugakwe ngoro. Because who called you, he's faithful enough. And he will do it. He will do it. He will do it. Na kogo Pastor Caro, na kogo muthuri uyu gwitwa Elijah na taraguruka akioya ngo agacibanga agacitiriria mai acoka igaturenda ndimuonie Ngai wa mani uriku. I want to show you ni Ngai uriku tugutungata. Mundu ucio ndugecirie onake ndona ta mutwe wake utarathie wega. For those who are called, sometimes it may seem like una kichwa mzuri, wewe hujui chenye unafanya, but the one who called you, lo ndigire kumuorota lo niko encourage ndiramu encourage. I'm encouraging you that the one who called you ata fulfill. So don't fear. Isaia yatu na tutigere 43 ni tondu atwetire na maritwa maito nake John atwira atiriri, we did not choose him, he chose us, he appointed us so that we can bear fruits. and we will bear fruit, because who called us is faithful. Oh yes, who called us is faithful, and he will do it for us. He will do it for us. The assignment may look big, the assignment may look so huge, but the good thing is that we are not doing it. He's doing it in us. Wenuoleka atugereire akahingia. Koguo there is no reason ya kugwitigira. There is no reason ya kuko back off. There is no reason ya kukuona tote gwika kana tote gukinyanira, because it is possible. Inawezekana. Yote yawezekana. Ngai toro tuteithire kai tuhoe. Muthingu mutugina muigwatha nituka gukwira ni wega, nituka gugucokeria ngatho ni tondu Mwathani na waturirikania ati Ngai wa matu-ini ni twitite, na ni ingi Mwathani metitwo, no ni twagire guikara ithenya-ini ria gukorwo turi andu aria macaguritwo. Ithe mwega na mutugina muigwatha, ithui ni tuoka kuhera twi mbere yaku maria twikite, tukeherera assignments, tukeherera the call iria wikirite thiini witu. Muthamaki uritha tuteithie ringi tondu ni watira tutigetigire. Maybe ni kuona tuonire ta assignment nene muno, ni kuona tuonire ta assignment ya tunenehera muno, tukidecide go back off, tukiona tweherere thina, tukiona tweherere ruo, tukidecide kura. Muthamaki mwega, thengio ni guturirikania ati we ni woreka wi thiini witu, na tutibatie gwitigira ni tondu we niwe watucagurire. Ithe witu mahinda na mathaa maya, Ngai wa kigongona, muthenya uyu wa umuthi twagwetia hinya, muthenya uyu wa umuthi twagwetia thakame yaku Kristo, muthenya uyu wa umuthi twagwetia Ngai wa kigongona courage iria ugaga Mwathani, you have not given us the spirit of fear. Ngai wa kigongona tuteithie kurugama thiini wa assignments, tuhote guciara maciaro maria Ngai wanenda tuciare thiini wa ritwa na thakame ya Jesu Kristo muru wa Ngai. Twaya gukorwo Ngai turagirika, turathinika, twi in the wilderness ni tondu wa kwaga kuigua uria Ngai wa matu-ini watwitire tugeke, ni tondu wa kwaga kuhingia uria Mwathani twabatie kuhingia, na koguo tugakorwo twi weru-ini muru wa ruo wa maithori, ni tondu ni twagire kuhingia uria watwitite tukahingie. Ni tuoka kuhera twi mbere yaku, ngoro citu ithikangite Mwathani mbere yaku, twinyihitie mbere yaku, maithori maihurite ngoro-ini citu. Ngai wa kigongona ni kwirira, ni kuona Mwathani twaya gukorwo Ngai turagerera maundu maya turagerera ni tondu ni twagire gugathikiriria, ni twagire gugathikiriria call yaku Baba. Mwathani tuteithie otoguo weranira thiini wa kiugo giaku, teithia ngoro citu gwitikia ati we no ugututeithia, because you are faithful enough, you are too faithful to fail. Ngai wa kigongona watwira atiriri thiini wa maandiko maku matheru ati Ngai wa kigongona, who called us, you who called us, we watwitire wi mwihokeku na ni ugwika aria tuonete assignment itu neneheire, tuteithie kwambiriria ringi thiini wa ritwa na thakame ya Jesu Kristo muru wa Ngai, tuteithie kwambiriria ringi, tunyite na guoko gwaku twambiririe ringi, na nigetha tukugocirie, na nigetha ugocwo ni tondu ni makona ni waturutire thiini wa nduma, ni waturutire thiini wa mehia, thiini wa confusion. Ngai wa kigongona ni waturutire thina-ini nigetha tugakugocithia, no tutikoretwo tugika uguo, ni twahera twi mbere yaku, ni twahera, tuteithie, ni twahera, utwiraga tungihera tugucokerere. We Mwathani uriganagirwo ni turi twehia na ukambaniria na ithuĩ ringi, tuteithie Baba, tuteithie Mwathani. Angi monire assignment ni cia manenehera na ni ciabataraga finances. Ngai wa kigongona Mwathani, otoguo watura, you are too faithful ati na ni ugwika, you are the one who will do it. Provide the finances your people need, provide kiria andu aku marabatara nigetha mahote gukinyaniria kiene gia kiria wameteire thiini wa ritwa na thakame ya Jesu Kristo muru wa Ngai. Muthamaki uritha we utumaga uhihinyaga ngoro citu cigagutukia, we uhihinyaga ngoro citu cigagutukia. Ni kuri maragio ni disobedience, ni kuri maragio ni tamaa, ni kuri maragio ni pride. Hinya ngoro ici Mwathani, icigiagwo ni gukinyaniria kiene giaku, ni tondu ni magiagwo ni mwitio, ni magiagwo ni disobedience, ni magiagwo Ngai wa kigongona ni gukorwo matari ehokeku. Ngai mwega mutugina muigwatha, tumbire ngoro ta yaku, tumbire ngoro ta yaku nigetha tuhote kuhingia kiene giaku, tumbire ngoro ta yaku Aba muthingu, tumbire ngoro ta yaku Awa, tumbire ngoro ta yaku Baba iria kuhota kuhingia kiria watwitire tukahingie thiini wa ritwa na thakame ya Jesu Kristo muru wa Ngai. Awa aturirikania maandiko-inĩ maku atiriri ati ti ithuĩ twacagũrire ĩndĩ we nĩwe watucagũrire na nĩgetha tũthiĩ tugaciare maciaro mathaa na mahinda maya twagũthaitha o ũguo watucagũrire o hau watucagũrĩire o kĩu watwĩtĩire twagũthaitha tũgĩthiĩ tũteithie gũciara kĩndũ kĩngĩgũkenia tũteithie gũciara maciaro mangĩkũgociria tũteithie gũciara kĩndũ kĩngĩgũkenia thĩinĩ wa rĩtwa na thakame ya Jesu Kristo mũrũ wa Ngai. Thamaki mwega tuteithie Ngai nĩ tondũ we nĩwe ũteithagia andũ aku thĩinĩ wa rĩtwa na thakame ya Jesu Kristo mũrũ wa Ngai. Watũra watwĩtire na rĩtwa na tũrĩ aku Mwathani, na tondũ ndũngĩtĩkĩra mũndũ waku ore agathire agathinĩkane nĩ ũmũteithagia oro na ihenya. Ĩtĩkĩra gũtũteithia kũrĩa Mwathani tũiguĩte twĩ weak, ĩtĩkĩra gũtũteithia in our weaknesses. Nĩ ũtũteithagia, nĩ ũkaga rĩrĩa twanyihanyihĩrwo ũgatũihũrĩrĩria, arĩa tũnyihanyihĩirwo tũihũrĩrĩrie Ngai.